Dropping a smartphone in water accidentally is one common mistake we do often. Many smartphone users sometimes walk near water site or while on the boat and drop their smartphone accidentally in water, and after that their smartphone won't turn on. Now what should you do if your smartphone falls in water? We welcome you all to this channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please support us by clicking that red subscribe button for more videos like this. On this video, we are going to tell you what you should do if you accidentally drop your smartphone in water. If you drop your smartphone in water and quickly notice it, the first thing you should do is take it out from the water and clean it with a dry fiber cloth to avoid internal damage. If the smartphone is on, turn it off until the phone is totally rid of water. Now shake your smartphone so that water can come out of it through the various outlets on your smartphone like the charging port or speakers. Keep your smartphone in a little warm place so that the water can vaporize. Don't use too much heat to dry the smartphone, otherwise the smartphone's internal part may get damaged. Clean all the ports like headphone port, charging port, SIM card port properly. If the smartphone is free from water, try to turn it on. If the smartphone turns on, you are good to go. And if it does not turn on, take it to any smartphone service center. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. You can also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this from us.